This video shows you how to add a donut chart instead of a pie chart in Maps in Qlik Cloud. First, we're going to drag and drop a map chart onto the sheet. Then add a point layer. As a dimension, we add country. Then add the chart layer. Here we add country as a dimension, then category name for the slice, and sales for the angle. This will create a pie chart. Let's modify it to display a donut chart instead. Select Options, then expand the General tab. Toggle on the Show Label option. In the label settings, let's add an expression to display the sales. In this case, we use the round function and divide the sum of sales by 1,000 to make the result more readable. Then in Size and Shape, increase the bubble size. Then in Color Settings, select a lighter color to improve readability. And here's the result. You now have a donut chart displaying sales data instead of a pie chart. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.